last few months it was very exciting. We found out we had Australian government funding through the Saving Native Species program to start developing dieback detector dogs. So we'll be, hello Alice, we've got Alice and Echo here with us at the moment. And they've been going out in the field and they're getting really good at finding phytophthora cinnamomi, because you can't see it because it's a plant disease. You see the dead plants, but what has actually killed them. So these guys have been doing really well in the lab and the field. And that funding from the government is helping us to develop 2 new dogs of our own for WA. So we'll be seeing them come over here next year. You can see there's some really good opportunities longer term to be potentially using them at burn boundaries and trying to, you know, in those high stress situations, actually go out and quickly identify where phytophthora is, because otherwise it's taking us 2 weeks at the lab and you don't have a chance to actually stop it spreading then.
And the breeding of them is more around what we would call working line or hunting line dogs that have been bred for hundreds of years to have a high desire to use their nose to find small things. So we have a dog that likes using their nose. The next trait that we really select for is a very high reward drive. So a dog that loves to play, loves treats, loves to engage with their handler. So we can communicate to them, hey, this really small, boring thing is a good thing for you to find.
Amazing to have these guys. Like, you know, we've been managing dieback in WA since the 70s, 80s. So, you know, 50+ years, it's hard to keep people engaged. The dogs really help us to then start that engagement again, and they're literally game-changing tools. I mean, the simple thing about dieback is just don't move stuff around, but we're human and we're trying to progress and do lots of things. So the dogs give us an option to really be able to maybe move a little quicker, a little smarter about how we do it. So yeah, it's a really exciting time to be doing dieback research.